park's never been that clean, right? Yeah. Hey, Isaac, once Jubilee crosses, close that gate. Come on, goats. There's Johnny. Hey, Johnny. Baby Johnny. He's so happy. He's a good goat. We just handle him every day, so then he doesn't get shy. And I'm pretty sure Alice is the daddy, right? Isaac! Wait, you're playing around. I need that gate closed, man. The gate. I know. Look how they cross it. This is all water. It's got some in my boot. Everything's knocked down. It looks like the fences are up. That's good. Hey, Jubilee!
Don't come down here. Johnny!
Watch Johnny cross. This is scary. But he did it. Look how dirty your tummy is. You crawled under to get out. Yes, you did. She is, I don't know. Like sometimes, there they are, right there, ligaments. They're getting kind of soft. You got baby in there? You might have lost her baby. I'd be sad if she did. That was so filled up. Okay. Cookie. Come on, Jubilee! Jubilee never runs out, but when she does, it's hard to get her back in, right? She's all the way down there. There's Dovey Lovey and Jubilee. Isaac, get Jubilee back in here. And we'll get you guys all settled. Isaac, get Jubilee in here, please. Don't come up that way. Come on, Juby. She's going the wrong way. Yep. All the rain, they ate all my hay. Oh, man. All right, guys. Say bye. We got stuff to do. Little Johnny and his mommy. Twix. Cookie.